Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, if you're facing an issue while opening an Excel file, you cannot open the file because the file format or the file extension is not valid. We are going to fix this problem. I can understand how frustrating it is. You're trying to open a file, you are at urgent meeting, urgent work, and you're unable to open that file. So we are going to fix it by only 3 simple steps, and once we are done, I'm sure you will be able to open your Excel file which is unable to open. So please find your file which is unable to open so I can see it is there in my desktop. In your computer, it might be there in a different location. So just find it and do a right click on that and then go to properties. Now, once you're here in the properties, the very first thing here, we need to look at the opens with type of file. It should be Microsoft Excel worksheet and opens with Microsoft Excel. All right, and you need to ensure that Excel is there. Not only Excel, you also need to click on change and see if any latest version of Excel is there. Like if you have installed more versions of like 2007, 2010, like that, you have, select the latest one and then click on set as default. All right, so once you have confirmed that yes, everything is fine from here, now we will move to the next step, and that is the security tab. So we need to go to the security, and here we need to check if we have all the permissions are allowed or not. All right, once you have checked it, click on edit and then click on add, and here we need to type everyone. Once you have typed everyone, you need to click on this check names. Alright, so the moment you click on check names, there will be an underline on that. That means it worked and you have typed correctly, and we just need to click on OK. And the moment you do that in new window, you can see the everyone is here, it is added, and here you need to allow, and then we need to click on apply and OK. So once you click on OK, again you will get the same window, and here we just need to click on apply and OK. Alright, so if you wish, you can restart the computer. That will be better, and then try to open the file. I'll just do a double click on that, and I'm sure it will open up the file for us. And you can see I have successfully opened the Excel file. You can also let me know in the comment section if you have successfully fixed this problem, and I will be glad if you mention your success story in the comment if you have successfully fixed this issue. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care, guys. Bye bye.